bro, well, I didn't tell you, but I already started the game, bro.
Oh, did you start the video?
Yes. I'm gonna use my special weapon. Let's get it. Okay.
My shotgun.
Damn it. Yes.
Fuck.
Okay, is there any other people? Let's go. Who's behind me? Oh. Boy, what in the world? Get him, jeez. How did he not die? Oh, get him. Let's go. Damn. Let's go.
Oh, that was you, wasn't it? Never.
What do you mean? I didn't even kill you, bro. Let's go. Triple kill. Let's get it. I'm about to get first place for this one. Damn, boy.
I'm about to go more try hard.
Damn, boy. Someone's. I saw that, bro.
Motherfucker, bro. That guy just had to.
Nice. No. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's get it. 60. Damn. Alright, that's enough for the kilo. I'm gonna use my dingo. I know someone's behind me. I'm not. Get him. Let's go. Let's go, no more commands. Nah. Yes, sir. First place in that round. Let's get it. Triple kill. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna do gunfight for this one.
No, just kidding.
Bruh.
Oh, they're gonna take your phone away and like, funny stuff like that.
But you know what? It's gonna depend, so, whatever. Bruh. Okay.
Gunfight. Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime objective to win.
Let's go. Before he even had to. Ow! Damn it.
Let's go.
Damn.
I shot him in the air.
It kind of looked like if you so maybe you didn't.
I was gonna throw a grenade up there, but like I thought that would take too long.
Maybe it might be. I have to be careful. No! Didn't let me slide for a moment. I was like,
No.
let's go!
Alright, nice.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
It's 2 points.
Eliminate all of them.
Oh, an M4 LMG. Let's go. But I hate it when the aim is so slow.
What the?
Bro, you didn't get out the way. That's why I couldn't move.
Put them in the ground.
Bro, how did they do that?
Bro, it's because if you wouldn't let me get out, like, if you wouldn't not block my way, bro, I would have been moving and then I would have been alive, kind of. Oh my god. Nah, they wall assisted me.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. No mercy. Take them down.
We're using shotguns again? What the f?
Oh, but this time with the scorpion.
For me, just with a normal gun. Motherfucker, bro. No!
No.
See, that's crazy because, no.
Not over yet.
What
Ready up.
is this? We're doing so good. Now we're failing.
For real.
We're gonna have to see what we're gonna have to do for this comeback.
Wait. You know what? I'm gonna use the scorpion.
Wow, I was gonna be like, why did my phone freeze? But no, never mind, it's working. Oh wait, no, let's not split it because I know you're already over here. Bro, there's someone near me already, bro. Let's go. Got one?
Oh, I made him low.
Let's go.
Nice
We're
work.
making a comeback.
Take them
Oh,
down.
the pee-pee.
Good.
There, killed one.
Nope. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Actually, it's the good thing it's a good thing I slid.
Take it.
Bro, I didn't even know you were behind me, bro. What the hell?
Nah, then I just slided. But they almost killed me though. They could have had a chance, but I had the chance. Damn, they're already on us already. Okay, that's just great.
What the?
We have 2 more points.
2 more rounds. Take it.
Oh, this shotgun gun. Okay.
Is this a shotgun?
It's a semi-auto. A semi-auto. So it does multiple shots, so you're able to.
Damn it.
Damn. Damn it.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Yeah, I think he Wallaces that one.
2 more rounds. Take it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to think. We're gonna have to think what can we do for a comeback. Well, I don't think we might, but
No, you go.
Shit. I feel like someone's gonna be behind me, I swear. It's gonna be another fight. They're gonna be over there, I know it.
Oh, I saw them.
Ah. Damn it.
Oh, GG.
Yeah, I don't think I wasn't ready for that last one. I'm gonna switch modes every video. Like wait, no, not free for fun. What can I use? Let me use my LMG.
Frontline.
Damn, bro, I wasn't even ready yet. They already killed me already.
What the hell?
But that's not what I was preparing, bro. Tripping. Let's go. So I got a double kill for that one. Ah. No. Stay over here before I die. Cannot wallet system. Damn it. What the? Bro, I already knew he was there, but I did not expect that.
Motherfucker. No.
Let's go. I could have got double kill, but damn it, I had to reload. Ah, someone has a gun skin already. After this gun, I'm gonna use another gun. I already know exact gun. This dude stole my weapon, though. What in the world? Before I even had a chance to shoot him. My guy, what in the world, bro? Get him. No, how do I miss all my shots? Get him. No, because I'm trying to figure out.
Be advised, hostile stealth chopper inbound.
Let's go. Nah, let's go. Let's go, got one. What the? Bro, I was pointing at the person. How did it make me move? Boom, melee him. Let's go. I have the gravity gun in case. Well, I don't know if it's gonna work. Boy, what in the world, bro? I'm gonna have to switch my loadout, like, for real, for real. And yeah,
Enemy XS-1 Goliath is landing.
damn it, I did not mean to call Carlo back. Nah, about to take in the phone away thing, you guys. I was just joking, snakes. No, I was just joking. It's not for real, for real. You know what? I'm gonna call him back after this match.
Friendly airstrike incoming. Bring it up, squad.
I tried, you guys. I tried, but oh my god! Of course, this dude is with the mech, so I'm not able to. We're not able to win, but at least I tried. It's a good thing I'm doing another video though. I mean, the last video I done was with Michael and Gerard, but you that was like before when I was going. That was like when I was going on the crew. I'm gonna call him again. I did not mean to call you back, bro. I didn't even know the mouse was like up the hang up button. So I was like, what the? Dude, this was 1999.
Mission failed. Get him next time.
Okay. I want to do kill confirm. I have never done it in a long time.
Oh yeah, that.
No, not that. No, I'm joking. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use my. Where's my peacekeeper at? I swear it was right there. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll use my.
Bro, last.
Bro, I swear it was one of my loadouts, bro. You know what? I'm gonna use my AK-47. F that. Get him. Let's go. Got one. Got a dog tag. Kill confirmed. What the f?
Heads up.
Dude, I was gonna sneak attack him from the window. Well, not from the window, like I was gonna go out, then just sneak attack him. But no, I guess that didn't work out. I think he already knew where I was. Bro, where are the enemies, bro? You know what? I'm gonna have to go down. I'm gonna have to go.
Predator missile incoming.
Let's go. Got another one. Double kill. Oh, why is my screen like that? What in the world? Let's go. Boom. Boom.
XS-1 Goliath is ready. Kill confirmed.
Let's go.
Stealth
I
chopper
could already use the Goliath, the cluster strikes, everything. Let's get it. But I don't think I'm gonna use it yet. We already started the game too soon.
confirmed.
Double kill. Not bad.
Kill confirmed.
Got one. Triple kill. Bro, what in the world?
Friendly Predator missile inbound. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Alright, I'm back.
Well,
Predator missile inbound.
watching the finance that's what he's
Actually?
doing. Yeah. Dude.
Jesus. Oh wait, we need to get this. Let's get it.
What is it?
And then it's already time, but I'm gonna do my ending real quick. And then,
I'm gonna do one last match. We call back. And then we'll stop.
Alright. Well, you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my 2 last videos I did with Gerard and Michael. It's on my channel. Peace out.